Hey, what's up? I'm the Zim. This is the Zim video. Thanks for joining me again. Please excuse the lack of a good haircut due to quarantine and the lack of shaving due to being lazy. But here we are again, checking out the Zim video. And this is going to be a really probably short, quick video. And probably very pointless because it's not a new product. But I did get the Cricut Maker vinyl cutter machine thing, and we're just gonna open it up here and see what's inside the box. I don't have any material to cut with yet, so I won't be able to make you anything until I get that material. But yeah, I'm super excited about getting this thing right here. I'm super excited about getting to make things like my clutches and my tunnel books and like the mask that I'm starting to make for art projects. Like a lot of things I can do with this that I'm super excited to explore. So yeah, let's open it up. All right, here it is. Cricut Maker I got the blue lidded one because I'm a boy, right? Boys have blue? No? I don't know. Blue's my color, so matches my eyes. Although I don't think my eyes are very blue anymore. So yeah, the box construction is really nice, so it feels like solid there. Let's see how this opens. Oh, got some tape. Alright, it says let's get started. There's a little box. It says let's get started on it. Get started. What's in the let's get started box? Materials for your first project. Oh, I guess I do get some material to make something. Sweet. I still will probably put that in a separate video. They give us some fabric pieces, which I have tons of fabric. They give us some like cardstocky stuff. Cardstock like this material. They give us I'm not sure what this is. More cardstock, I guess? No vinyl though. They didn't give us any vinyl. I don't know, they probably have instructions. Open me first. Unleash this beauty. This is plug in your power. Okay, they tell you how to plug it in. Set up, during setup. Okay. Step-by-step instructions in here. Welcome, more welcome stuff. Cricut Maker manual, useful links. This is all the things, examples of what you can make, included in the box. Cool, all the stuff that's in the box, that's what we're going through right now. They have the rolling fabric cutter, so you don't need a backer, which is pretty cool. I think that's super cool, to be honest. And then they have the USB cable, plug it in. They have a pen for drawing with it, fabric cutter, that's all that's in there. Oh, there's one more, warranty. And then the Cricut machine itself, it looks like a box out of the way. Cricut. Packaged really nicely. Just wrapped around it. Amazing. There's the Cricut machine. There's still a couple things in the box. Fabric grip cutting mat. It's got a little stickiness to it. That's for fabric. The light grip cutting mat for other things like cardstock, probably vinyl, and of course power cable. That's all that's left in the box. Whoa, pretty awesome. And then in the machine itself, they have the cutting blade, the main like vinyl cutting blade, and certain, what do they call it? It's on the side of the box. Premium 5-point cutting blade. Is in the machine. Alright, well that's it. Like I said, that's it. That's it right here. It's pretty nice. It's really heavy, to be honest, which is probably great because you don't want it to move around a lot when you're cutting with it. But yeah. So next time, hopefully soon, I'll actually make something with it. I don't know where to put it yet. I haven't really designed a spot to put it. So Where it's gonna live, I don't know. Maybe it won't live in one spot in particular, but I'm not ready yet to actually make anything. But when I do, I'll be sure to post it on the channel and let you know how it went, how the installation process was, and all that stuff. But until then, thanks for watching. If you have any questions for me regarding my brand new Cricut maker, let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to let you know what happened. I am going to be ordering supplies like right after making this video to jump on my computer. Things I'm going to order right away is heat transfer vinyl, transfer paper to take the vinyl off the vinyl thing and put it onto my fabric, and then also the heavy duty blade for the cutting as well, so I can cut like small thin wood and thicker materials as well. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, until next time, be loving, kind, and patient, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Peace.